The reason that we partnered with Dstillery was really simple. All of our campaigns are looking for an outcome. So we're looking to drive a better performance for the advertisers. And then when we launched the company, our vision was audience agnostic, work with every provider, it doesn't matter who it is, and then work out which is the best audience within that taxonomy for the advertiser that we're specifically working with. It's not one size fits all. What we found was just running across all audiences and just the standard audiences you have across the DSPs. When we pulled any report for any advertiser on any vertical, and we pulled the top 10 taxonomies, almost always at least 3 of them were Dstillery. And usually they were the top 3. So for us, it was a no-brainer to engage in a deeper relationship and start building custom audiences out. Since we've started doing that, which was again back in 2019, we've seen, it's usually 4 to 7 of the top 10 audiences are Dstillery audiences. The insights that we get from the portal are bar none the best that we've seen, and the lookalike audience by itself. So I always hear Facebook has the best lookalike audience. I have a big question mark next to that. But what Facebook does really nicely is they give you those different stages of percentages of how relevant that lookalike audience is. Dstillery does the same thing. They give you A through E. And it's refreshed every 24 hours, which is crucial in performance-based marketing. When we think about and I use the example of someone who's looking to buy a car. If I've just leased a Toyota Prius yesterday, my advertiser or Toyota or Hyundai need to know today, don't serve me an ad, I'm not in market. Now, if I'm working with a provider that has a 30, 60 or 90-day refresh rate, I'm going to keep getting ads for Hyundai for the next 90 days. We don't get that with Dstillery. And so me as a consumer is annoyed because I keep getting ads for a product that I don't need. And Hyundai as an advertiser gets annoyed because they've just wasted 3 months worth of ads on someone who is not in market. Being able to use that level of detail, that level of refresh rate, is why we're constantly seeing them top of the performance list. And I'll say this to everyone. We will work with any audience provider that has the best performance, and Dstillery is constantly the top performing. And we are talking since 2019 when we really started using them in a really deep level.